Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this pressed juicery. This one is the citrus one. That's what's in there. You got cucumber, pineapple, lemon, coconut water, and aloe. Look at that. And this is the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause it. Check that out. It's non-pasteurized. I'm in Vegas right now for a conference, and you can get this at the area hotel. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so I got the lid off. Let's see a quick taste test. Ooh, this one is, you just taste a lot of the cucumber. You don't really get a taste of coconut water or anything like that, and it's subtly sweet with the pineapple. So, but it tastes more like cucumber. Pretty refreshing. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.